3D printing is going to change the world into an insanely deregulated gunfight. I might be overreacting. Anthony here for D News, and we talk a lot about how 3D printing is going to change everything, you know, eventually letting us print out anything we could ever need. It could change retail, it's going to change the world of product design, but it's also going to have some deeper ramifications for personal freedom and safety. See, there's this company called Defense Distributed based in Austin, Texas, and they're working on something that they call the Wiki Weapon, a completely open source, downloadable design for a working firearm that anyone can print at home. Now, so far they've been able to create some parts for already existing guns, like they made an ammo magazine for an AK-47. They've been printing them and privately testing them, but this week they were granted a federal firearms license from the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms. Now that means they can sell the parts and design files that they make. Here's the catch. There are currently no laws that stop anyone from printing a gun at home. The current Gun Control Act says that any non-licensed person can make their own firearm for personal use as long as it's not for sale. Now, law professors say that this could completely obliterate effective regulation of firearms possession. And that's exactly what Defense Distributed is hoping for. In their mission statement, they say, how do governments behave if they must one day operate on the assumption that any and every citizen has near instant access to a firearm through the internet? Let's find out. Now, Defense Distributed is a ways from their goal of a safe, effective firearm that can be printed on home 3D printers. And their goal is a gun that can only be fired once safely, you know, because it's made out of plastic. So we're not really talking about people making their own machine guns. But man, they are raising some big, scary questions, right? Like, what happens when people without proper knowledge of weapons manufacturing print something without being able to properly check it for problems? Can the government really pass a law to restrict 3D designs for weapons? We can't even stop people from stealing music. With any big shift in technology, there are going to be a lot of issues to deal with. So where do you side on this one? Do gun control laws need to be updated to deal with this stuff? Let me know down below and subscribe for more D News.